everybody, welcome back to another video with Ate Red here, and we talk about online lending platforms and financial literacy because ito naman yung totoong purpose natin dito. But we need to talk about other things that has anything to do with utang. By the way nga pala guys, kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button. This video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. Medyo huli tayo sa balita but I still want to share my thoughts on this matter and something may share ako sa inyo baka hindi pa kayo aware. Sa panahon ngayon, kung sino ang mas lalong rampant yung existence ng mga ng mga mapagsamantala. So medyo huli na tayo sa balita kasi usap-usapan na ngayon that Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas has approved several regulatory relief measures the ongoing fuel crisis caused by Middle East tensions. And this one is an article that I've seen sa Philstar Global. Although there are already many articles na nag-cover nito, but let's just focus on the one that I've seen sa Philstar. So, April 15, Bangko Sentral said that it has issued Monetary Board Resolution 296 in line with the declaration of the State of National Energy Emergency. We say BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, this covers banks, digital banks. Guys, hindi pa nito sakop yung mga OLA. At least not yet. So, wag kaagad tayong mag-isip na, pwede na palang wag bayaran yung utang. That's wrong thinking. Sabi dito kay Philstar, sa measures na inapprove ni Bangko Sentral, actually, it's urged. Hinihikayat, hindi po pilitan. Hindi po pinipilit yung mga bangko natin na kaagad. The grant of temporary grace periods of up to 6 months for loan payment of affected borrowers and the deferment of agricultural loan products for up to 1 year. So, for other loans, 6 months. For agricultural loans, and up to 1 year. So, loan moratorium, okay, for affected borrowers. Pag sinabing moratorium, temporary suspension or temporary stop. Anyway, so the BSP also said that for up to 1 year loans to affected borrowers may be excluded from past due and non-performing loan classifications. This will be subject to applicable notification and reporting requirements. BSP supervised financial institutions, hindi po kasama OLA dyan for now, must be prudent in availing these measures, however, said the central bank. They must ensure that only people who are affected by borrowers are affected by the crisis. So when I checked the Facebook page ni Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, there's one thing here that's clear. This is not automatic. You need to contact your bank for that, and I'm sure there's a process involved to show the bank na affected ka nga by the situation. So, hindi po siya automatic. You need to work with the bank. With the situation ngayon, hindi naman ito diretso maapektuhan yung ating credit history. Kasi yun nga, si BSP na mismo yung nag ng loan relief na to. But maybe, kasi yung bank talaga maganda yung mga offer ng bank, diba? Low interest, kumpara sa mga OLA, big amounts, more flexible payment options. But the thing about banks is, medyo strict kasi sila sa kanilang mga credit assessment tsaka mga risk assessment nila. So yes, it may be helpful for us na hindi muna tayo mag-temporary na, say for example, 6 months wag tayo magbayad. It may be helpful for us. Our credit information may not be affected, but baka sa database naman ni bank is parang kumaga yung pogi points natin sa bangko parang maapektuhan. So baka in the future, dahil maganito tayong situation, baka makaapekto ito sa decision ni bank sa atin in the future. You know, alam nyo na. So as much as possible, wag natin sayangin kumbaga yung ating chances. So as much as possible, let's not use this as much as possible. But if you need to, go ahead. Work with your bank on this. So, I'm not anti sa measures na inapprove ni BSP, but just to clear things out with everyone, this does not automatically mean na pwede nang wag bayaran yung mga obligations natin. Again, it is subject to approval ng bank, so we have to coordinate with them. It's like alas natin to kung na magagamit natin kung kailan talaga kailangan. So, wag natin sayangin. And the downside, however, is baka may mga bad players na mag-take advantage. Example, at ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong mag-comment dyan sa mga social media pages ng mga bangko nyo like how, pa-help po. Huwag kayong mag-comment niyan. Kasi, based na rin to sa experience ko, baka may mag-contact sa inyo pretending to be someone from the bank at sasabihin, okay, we'll process this for you, pero alam nyo na, you know where this is going. So, ingat-ingat po tayo kasi baka may mga mapagsamantalang mga tao who will magte-text, magsisend ng link, baka, gusto nyong loan moratorium, click this link, enter your bank info. Ingat po kayo sa mga ganyang mga modus, mga guys. And baka may tumawag, sasabihin, I'm from ganito, 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 we're offering ganito. Wag. Anything na hindi kayo yung nag-initiate, wag nyong i-entertain. So, kung kailangan nyo talagang magkaroon ng mag-take advantage or if you need to like avail of a payment holiday, ikaw mismo mag-contact sa bank mo. Don't entertain anybody na mag-o-offer kasi malay natin, scam yan. Yun lang yung masasabi ko and I really hope na mag-ingat po tayo kasi sa panahong ganito, hindi po natin makontrol ang takbo ng utak ng mga mapagsamantalang mga individuals. Okay, before I end this video by the way, I'm using a DJI mic. Ayan. Of course, if you are interested sa mic na to, of course, yung receiver niya nakakabit po sa camera. But if you're interested sa mic na to, it is available po sa Lazada. I have included a product link. And just want to let you guys know that subscribing to my channel and watching my videos will always be free. But we have memberships. There's a tier for those of you who simply want to support this channel because making content takes time and resources. So I really appreciate those who want to support me by being a member. And then meron po tayong mga member-only videos para naman dun sa mga questions na alam nyo, kasi sa dami sa inyo dito sa channel, may mga questions po na gusto kong sagutin. Yun nga lang, natatagalan bago ko siya napapansin. So, meron tayong membership, so mas madali kong makita yung mga questions na yan at masugot ko sa mga videos na para sa ating mga members. But of course, kung ayaw nyo, and you can cancel anytime nga pala ha. Pero kung ayaw nyo maging member, subscribe and watch my videos as much as you want. Dahil libre naman po. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you on my next vlog.